Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone is updated and you're signed into the Mail app or third-party client. Once done, decide which email account you want audible alerts for because settings can be account-specific. Open Settings now and scroll to Mail or the app's name. This gets you to notification controls. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Focus modes are off for testing. You're starting with the essentials, so changes take effect immediately, and you can hear the result as you proceed. Now dive into notification options. Tap Settings, Notifications, then Mail or your email app. You'll see accounts listed. Select the specific account and toggle Allow Notifications on. Next, choose Alert Style, Lock Screen, Notification Center, Banners, and enable sounds so audio plays. Tap Sounds to pick a tone or custom file. You can also enable vibration for tactile feedback. Make these choices deliberately because sound selection and alert style determine how noticeable incoming mail will be in different contexts. Finish by testing. Send yourself a test message and listen for the chosen sound while the iPhone is unlocked and locked. If you don't hear anything, make sure the volume is up, mute switch is off, and focus or Do Not Disturb isn't blocking notifications. Also verify background app refresh and notification permissions for the app. If problems persist, disable notifications, then re-enable them for the account or reinstall the Mail app. This often clears corrupted settings and restores sound alerts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.